What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back at you again with a install video this time.
Graves block off plates. ZX6R Ninja tank pad. BMC air filter.
Let's go.
Let me find a part first. Where's that little Allen key? We can't do nothing with that Allen key. Where's that Allen key, bro? We can't do nothing.
12 seconds later.
No joke, Tanner. Where is it? Hey, that size ought to fit.
First off, start by taking off your seat. Put your little key. Bink up. Or next. 2 rounds up here. 2 of them. Count them up. I said 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. And then just scratch this tank, Mississippi. Oh my God.
It's almost inevitable to just scratch your tank right here.
So we've taken our seat off, and here we are. We're getting ready to take this bolt right here out. I'm gonna pull him on out. Go. Another one bites the dust, baby.
We have to take this bolt out along with that clip to move, so we can move this piece.
So we pulled that bolt out as well to be able to move this to the side. You feel me? So 1, 2, and then you move that off to the side. And you come back here, right here.
It's kind of hard, but you just separate them. And then there's a little clip on this part. So once you get that separated, push down and it'll release.
So a little clip. And it's Velcro. But it also has a little foam piece right here that slides up into the tank in here. It'll be a little hard to pull out. So it'll feel like you're breaking it, but go on and pull anyway. You're good. It's got a little clip right here as well.
It clips in right there.
It clips in right here as well. So make sure to set that whenever you go to put it back on. All right, all right, all right. It's a 10mm right here. He went for the long boy, didn't he? Look at him. He likes them long boys. Another one bites the dust. You're gonna move him over to the edge, move it over here to the edge. You're gonna undo that connection right there. It's got a little tab right here. You see? And just pull this out right here. Out and over and under. Let it hang off to the side. Now you're gonna get a Phillips head and you're gonna get all of these screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No. There's 8 right there, my bad. We miscounted, plus the connection, so there's 9.
Can't count that, man.
And then you went to the other side.
Those things are in there pretty good. Things are tight.
As she said. Another one bites the dust. Gotta be careful right here because you got the tank in the way. Said if you can, use a short Phillips right here. Look at that, baby. That's what the factory intake looks like, if you didn't know.
Look at them velocity stats.
And just pull that right on up. Oh, right with the old, baby. Yes, sir. There's the new, but we ain't installing him yet. We gotta go on down.
About to take this airbox out. Gotta unhook these two tubes right here.
I don't know if y'all can see that.
That kind of clip on that one, and that little clip on that one. Now,
You know where those connected at on here?
this
Right
big
here.
one is right here, and the small one.
One right here, one right here.
Now, this is gonna be hard. We gotta get in here. Through this little hole and undo this bolt.
I don't know if y'all can see that. Boop, right through there.
Yep.
You go right through. There's one on this side as well. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
You're gonna start an iPhone, Samsung war in the comments.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 I hope I do. What do you all think's better, Samsung or iPhone? We're both team Samsung around here, baby, because we know what the deal is.
Did you just see that?
What?
It just bounced out at me.
She said, Daddy, I like it when you shoot it out at me. Here's a little trick for y'all. Straight from the Redneck Garage. A little pry bar. Use your extension.
Break them both loose.
Really, you could just use a long socket, really. So then we're just gonna make that bad boy right up and right over there. You just gonna work the wires around a little bit. Jimmy him on up.
There's a tube over on this side. Right here.
A little tube right here you gotta undo. Right there, did you see it? No? Didn't? Always fold up a little towel or something and cover up your velocity stacks to make sure nothing gets in them. Okay? You just want to make sure, just extra little precaution that we ain't sucking nothing down in there that ain't supposed to be in there. You heard a little connection right here on it. Did it break loose? Yeah, it did.
Fine.
He took a flathead and pried against it to get it to break loose. I wasn't wrong, was I?
Did you get that on recording? I just yanked it off.
He just broke it. He broke it. Oh no. Now we're gonna be taking 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. We're just gonna take those out and we're gonna smack the block off plates on them. Literally, we're going. And we got a 5mm Allen. That's what size these take. It's gonna be a tight area. That's all right.
That's no easier. Thought it was gonna be.
They'll be real tight. They got Loctite on them.
Bro, they're like actually really tight.
I know.
Like it's not getting easier as I turn.
No, they won't. He said he's a puss.
Oh goodness. Don't you start now, son.
Pansy. Hey guys, we got a pansy.
One down, baby.
Woo! And another one bites the dust.
It really did have Loctite on it.
Another one bites the dust.
I'm gonna take a.
All right, we got both sides out. This is what it looks like, you all. We gotta get a fork. Bing! You know we got them buffalo wings with the extra buffalo, you feel? Here he is, tightening them down. Pretty much just gonna tighten down both sides. Go back and forth evenly. And I'd say whenever you do snug them up, probably about 5 to, I'd say probably about 10 pounds. 10 foot-pounds. Just good and snug. Nothing too crazy. You don't want to strip them out.
Go ahead and tell
You gonna do that on both sides? Huh?
So I'll go ahead and tell you I did a lot more.
He said he did a lot more than 10, 15.
That's just because I'm strong. Man. After these mods, I'm straight up calling out Fast Lane D.
Say what? Which bike?
Any of them he wants to bring out, man.
Oh, damn. He just got the H2, don't you know?
Hey, it don't matter.
All right, you guys, we have now torqued them all 4 down, all 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All torqued down. Now we're gonna start putting it back together, baby. Let's go. And it goes right here. Put the plug on there. And then I would even go as far as to put a zip tie down and around, just to make sure that it does not come off.